my friends. How are you?
Walaikum Assalam. Alhamdulillah. We are fine. Thank you. And you please.
Fine, Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Now answer me. What day is it pointing on, student?
Today is Monday.
To another student you by calling his her name. Tell me, what date is it?
It is December.
To another student, what's the month now?
It is September.
Thank you all. Now let us take our book and try to learn our lesson. All right.
Okay, sir. Then the teacher will share his lesson in the following way.
What is the meaning of this prayer? Can anyone tell us?
Yes, sir. I can. It means mobile and includes my religion.
Thank you. I am very glad to see that you can the meaning of it. If students do not can the meaning, the teacher will teach it in Bangla. Okay, now let us take our book and learn. Attentively, right?
Okay, sir. Then the teacher will be thinking of the class as question.
My little friends, take your book and open at page 13. Today you shall learn lesson no 1.